Hey, have you wondered why some videos distinctly look different from the others, especially when it comes to editing? What is it that makes a video well edited, or what makes the editing process, what makes the editor a super hit? Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh. I'm going to share with you the three simple attributes you must have if you are trying to be an editor and make fantastic videos. I will straight jump into it. The first thing you need to work on is to be editing mercilessly. You have to edit ruthlessly. You should not be in a space where you feel like guilty about letting go of a few shots. You may have really worked hard, or the one who you are editing for may have worked really hard to shoot a particular shot. But if it's not fitting in your video timeline, if it's not fitting and making the best use of its, if it's not as valuable in the final picture, you have to be able to let it go. It may be yourself on camera as well. Never mind, you may be looking fabulous in that particular shot. But if it's not really serving you for the final film, for the final video, you have to let it go. So that's the first one, edit ruthlessly. The second one is that as an editor, you should be able to be a great storyteller. If it's not just about who is on camera, finally when somebody has shot something, you need to have the knack of being able to put shots together which kind of weave a story, even though it may be a product shot, even though it may be something non-fictional. There has to be a certain flow to it. There has to be a certain beginning, and the way you kind of draw audience's attention in and hold it together well with your storytelling skills. It is not just for the one who's presenting it. An editor has to be able to tell a fabulous story. Okay. The third one is that you have to really, from the point go, be organized. It is a disaster when editors are not organized. Their timelines look very chaotic. Their folders are not organized. If you need to look at some content you may have shot maybe last year or 3 months ago, if you are not organized with your labeling, with your creating folders, with you organizing it neatly in different hard drives, or just knowing, labeling your project in a correct way, if that is not organized, really you're going to have a very tough time. So being organized is very, very crucial, because it's not just about being on time, or maintaining a schedule or delivering on time. Even when you see an editor's timeline, it could look all over the place. You could have different clips in different layers unnecessarily. If an editor is organized, he or she will have all the audio clips, all the dialogues in one layer or two at the most. Or of course if it's overlapping, more layers, but will not jump between two layers for music and dialogue. Similarly for video, maintain one layer for graphics, maintain one layer for certain texts, maintain another layer for the visuals itself, so on and so forth. If you've edited on multiple layers, you'd know that. So being organized to be able to find your footage which has been shot earlier, or to even deliver on time, all of that gets included. So these are the three wonderful attributes that one must ideally possess to be a fab editor. There are tons more to begin with. Let's just do this. All right. If you like this kind of video, please do subscribe. This is Video Excellence Lab. I am bringing to you tons of videos to help you create a lot more videos. And if you like this, you can also, if you're really interested in creating videos, I have a private Facebook group. It's a small group where I am sharing tools and tricks of how you can create videos. I'm very happy to help in any way I can. So feel free to click on the link below. That's the Facebook group, and join us there. All right. And subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you like this video, and leave a comment with what your thoughts are. Where do you stand in the editing space? All right. Take care. Thank you. Bye.